Hey everyone, hope you've had a fabulous day. I had a great day today. Motorbike ride, chats with friends, played with, went on a motorbike ride with one of the girls from the motorbike groups. It's been a really lovely day. And tonight, it was my hubby's last day at work after 23 years, so he starts a new job on Monday, but funnily enough, he's part of the great resignation that's going on around the world, that journalists and politicians are twisting themselves into a pretzel, trying to explain in a way that suits the great narrative going on. So it's just an interesting time, as we know, on the planet. So I want to do a quick little balance. Then I'm off to bed. And I just wanted, about letting go of the old, embracing the new. Letting go of the old and creating that space so that what is it that you desire? What is it that you would love to do? What is it that would fill your heart with peace, with grace, with joy? Sometimes if we don't let go of something, we're not going to create the space to allow anything else in. So what is it? Have you even thought about it? So often when I'm counselling people and I say, well, what is it that you want? What would you like to do with your life? And the amount of times that people get tears in their eyes because they've never thought about what they want. They've never thought about doing something that would bring them joy. And I think that's really sad, and I think that's what was going on in our lives, that we never thought that we were worthy to be doing something that we loved and enjoyed and brought us peace in our lives. And hey, there's absolutely nothing wrong with being at home with kids. There's nothing wrong with being that person looking after loved ones. There's nothing wrong with doing something that fills us with peace and joy, even if it isn't what that model society tells us we should be doing. Time to get rid of the shoulds and embrace what we really, truly believe that would give us that joy and peace in our life, so that we can be of service to humanity, so that we can be at one with humanity. Okay?